Welcome to Top 10 SBC Use Cases.
Use case number 4, and this is redundancy, where an operator wants to work with one or more SIP trunk providers, and they want to provide full redundancy between their soft switches and their customers and their operators. In this particular case, they're using 2 active ProSBC servers. If you're taking any other training or writing the features, we have the active standby, and we have the +1 concept for SBC. But in this situation, these are 2 active SBCs. They're both operating live full-time, and through using routing rules in the Softswitch and routing rules in ProSBC and routing rules in the SIP trunking provider, there's a backup route for everything. And this allows the traffic to be directed if any one of the systems were to fail. So let's say, for example, one of the SIP trunk providers were to start performing poorly and the MOS score started to go up. ProSBC can detect that and can reroute the traffic to a different SIP trunk provider to handle the traffic because the MOS score is poor on the other operator. If an operator goes out of service, ProSBC can detect that and redirect the traffic. If a soft switch were to go out of service, again, the SBC can redirect the traffic. If one of the SBCs were to fail, or the server were to fail or to crash, the soft switch can detect it, reroute the traffic. So any one of these systems can fail and the rerouting can occur. And we got a case study with it. NETCOM, one of our earlier case study customers, based over in Cyprus, TSP based in Cyprus. They have business class UCaaS based on FreeSWITCH, and they set up fully redundant ProSBC infrastructure for their FreeSWITCH servers to manage their traffic to and from their SIP trunking providers and doing all that routing, as I mentioned previously. So it's a good story of implementation that wants high reliability with an active environment. There's lots of resources on the FreeSBC ProSBC website. We have written versions of the case studies on the case study page, and we've got just some abstract descriptions of the use cases. Very brief summaries of the use cases on the use case pull down at the top of the website. And of course the library on YouTube has all not only the use cases and customer case studies, but we got these training modules, the recorded webinars. We got some how-to tutorials to show how to configure and manage it. A handful of customer interviews on there. I'll also have some frequently asked questions, some recorded podcasts, and just much more. And again, I highly encourage you to check out some of that now, but subscribe to it. Every time we finish up one of these webinars, for example, we post a recording of the event, and then you can be notified of the recording being posted.